Hi, good evening. This is a recording of my assignment 3. So, I'm using Docker Compose file. Using this Compose file, I'm creating 3 containers. So, here's my Docker Compose. Okay, this is my network. These are the Docker files which I'm using. There is one file, then here it will read the default Docker file, custom network, bridge. That's all. Okay. And here I am starting a Spring Boot application using Tomcat web server, and then this is my database where I am connecting. So this will run in one container, this will run, database will be in the second container, then in the third container I'm running a curl. So using the curl I am connecting to the Spring Boot application, and the Spring Boot application internally connecting to database. Okay, so what I'll do is, sorry, one minute. So I'll go here and then I'll run the commands. Okay, so Docker Compose build is successful. So next step is I'll go ahead and start the 3 containers. Okay, so here you can see the 3 containers with name 1, 2 and 3 got created. Okay, so now very quickly I'm going to show the network configuration. Okay, so here on my screen we can see the network name is assignment custom network. Okay, so this is the network that we are using for all the 3 containers. Okay, so I'll just run it. So we can see here the network configuration using docker network inspect command, and we can see the gateway, IP and subnet details. So in this subnet, this is the CI/CD block. So using this range the IPs will be allocated, and then here we can see the name of the network, that is the custom network, the project name, the assignment, and we can see the IP assigned to each container. So here the IPv4 address, then for container 3 it is here, and then for container 1 it's here. Okay, so the first task was to show the network configuration, so that is done. The second task is even we can show the network configuration for each container also if we want to show like this. Okay, so it will show for the each container. Okay, the IP address for each container is showing here. Then what I'm going to do is, using the container 3 I'm going to access the application. Okay, so first I will access the application. So this is a get method. So what it will do, whatever profile we have already created, it will return that profile. Okay, so I'll go back and then I'll run this here. So right now there is no data because we have started the container now, and it has not inserted any data. Okay, so that's why. So now I'll run a post command. So what it will do, whatever value I will pass here, let's say I am passing assignment 3 cloud. Okay, So whatever I'll pass here, it will be inserted to the database with ID1. Okay, so I'm inserting it, so you can see here it's getting inserted. Okay, now what I need to do is I need to fetch the data and show that on the screen. So if I'll do it here, we can fetch the data also. Okay, so we are able to fetch the data, we are able to insert the data from container 3. So this is our task 2, now accessing from the host. Okay, so I'm going to a browser, and then from the browser I will access, and we can see the data which we inserted. Okay, we can also pass the ID, okay, to see the data related to that ID. Okay, so that's all. We are done with the assignment and recording. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.